It's a grand tour of Europe, all in a single day and all in Washington, D.C. Welcome to the European Union Open House. Every year for just one day in May, the embassies of all 27 member nations of the European Union open their doors to curious visitors. Here they are welcomed with cultural treats such as music, costumes, food, art, dancing, and anything else relating to their country's ways of life. Join me as we crisscross the old world while imagining medieval castles, cathedrals, and cobblestone streets surrounding us as we move from embassy to embassy. We might even chance upon the French ambassador's residence along the way. Grab your suitcase, carry-on, and personal item, and let's go!
All right, and we have made it to the Lithuanian Embassy, and this one is about a 45-minute walk from where we just were. And it has paid off because for the very first time today, there is no line, practically no line. It will not take long to go in. This neighborhood is about halfway between Adams Morgan and Columbia Heights, and it's a beautiful hike up here on Colorama Road. That Statue of Liberty and the French ambassador's residence, that was about halfway from there to here. So we will go ahead and get on this very short line and take a look at the Lithuanian Embassy. I was actually in Lithuania a long time ago. It was on that same trip that I was in Finland. So maybe it'll bring back some memories going inside. And here we are. We just got past security and it was quick and easy. And now we're gonna go inside.
That's really cool. Oh, wow. That's a section. And then here's their first. Oh, it's a full sticker. All right. I will happily take one.
Oh, it's your.
I think the Jurassic Park, where they filmed that. Oh, there's a theme park.
Whoa, check this out. This was worth the walk.
Yes, this is the modern.
So you visited the oldest
Yeah.
Two more cases of the exact same kind of stuff. It's quite a table.
That is an interesting combination. An audio-visual presentation. Oh, yeah.
I think they're doing dance lessons back there. We'll find out in a minute. Yep, that's exactly what's going on.
And the girl's gonna turn around in front of your partner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the partner changes or gets it to your spot. And we're gonna do again and jump, 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 turn around, jump, turn around, jump, turn around. Looks really good. So without stops, we're gonna do one more time, and then we're gonna do a music. And 3 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Backwards, forward, backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In and out. Girls around. In and out. Ladies around. In and out. Ladies around. In and out. And now we're gonna repeat that with music.